Okay, so we are going to be determining if expressions are equivalent to each other, and we have to remember our rules for multiplying and adding terms and expressions. Remember, if you are adding, the variables have to be exactly alike. If you are multiplying, you can multiply number times number. I'm just going to use that. Number times number, variable times variable. Okay. So let's start with our q squares. We have 21q squared plus another p squared. Oh, I'm sorry. Let's start with q. So we have a negative 1q squared plus 2.1q squared. This is like saying a 1. So a negative 1 plus a 2.1 is giving me a 1.1 q squared. Let's go to the PQs. Remember, PQ and QP would be the same thing. So 6.1 plus 5.9 minus 1. These are all PQs. That would be 12 minus 1. So that would be 11. Plus, because it's a positive, 11 PQ. And P squared stands alone. Now looking at my choices, A, B, C, and D, B is the only one that is equivalent. Okay, take a look at number 2. Let's first distribute this and see if we can combine anything. The expression is to rewrite it 2 ways. Let's distribute. Okay, so 22 d to the third plus 17 and a half, which would be 35 d squared minus d plus a negative 5. So there's one way, is to distribute it. Now the other way, pretty simple way, would be 22 d to the third plus 35, and I break apart my d squared. So I could do times d minus d plus a negative 5. The only thing I did was I took this term and I broke it down just to make it easier on myself. Okay, the next one. Well, so there's my 2 expressions rewritten different ways. So my next one would be negative 49. I'm going to distribute and then combine. Negative 49r plus 49t plus 32t minus 15r plus 750. Okay, now combine. Negative 15r, negative 49r, and then I can, this is a plus, combine my t's. This is number 6, not number 4. So then I look at my answers and see if there's any that match that. C is close, but if you'll look at the first 49r, it's not negative. So be careful. So if I combine my terms, now it's a negative 64, oops, we're at 65, 64r plus 81t plus 750. A is the only one